Hey guys, I came on today to share with you some vinyl, new vinyl that I got from a vinyl supplier here in Dallas. Oops, rubber band just shot. Don't know where it went. But these colors are absolutely gorgeous. Like when I went in, I love going to the vinyl shop, but I hate going to the vinyl shop because I always leave out with stuff I didn't go in there for. So I went in there to price a heat press and came out with vinyl. So the first one I'm going to show you, and these are $3 per sheet. So this one I thought was really gorgeous. It's a blue, like a really blue kind of glitter like color. I think it's gorgeous. So that's one. Then I got another one that's kind of in the blue family as well, but it's kind of like a light kind of blue. It might look silver to you, but it's actually like a light blue, which is really, really pretty. So hopefully you guys can see it. Let me see if I turn this light off or down. That didn't help, huh? But it's a light blue color and it's really pretty. So those are my two blues, like a light and a darker color blue. Then I got this purple that I thought was absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And then I dipped over into the pink family and I grabbed up this one first. And they all have like a little hint of glitter in them because I was going crazy in that section. And then this one. So these are all my beautiful colors that I got today. A total of 5 different colors. So 2 blues, a purple, and then 2 pink colors. So what I'm going to do today, hopefully that's not really loud in your ear, me jiggling these things around. But what I'm going to do today is I'm going to do a t-shirt with, I don't know if I want to do vinyl or if I want to do fabric transfer, because I haven't did a fabric transfer in a while. Where did my rubber band go? I have to find my rubber band so I can put these back. Hold on. Sorry about that. Had to sneeze. Didn't want to sneeze in your ear. But for those of you that are new to vinyl and maybe new to my channel, this is heat transfer vinyl. So with your heat transfer vinyl, you're always going to have a shiny side, and then you're going to have like a matte side that's kind of dull. And the matte side is the side where your vinyl is. This is your transfer sheet. This is what you'll iron or put your silicone sheet on top of, and then iron, press down so that the vinyl under there can then be stuck to your t-shirt or whatever you're putting it on. So this is heat transfer vinyl. You don't have to use separate transfer tape. This is already a transfer tape. This shiny side is transfer tape for you to iron on, but put your silicone sheet or a piece of paper or something on top so that you don't burn the vinyl through the transfer sheet. But heat transfer vinyl, if you are in the habit of going to like Michael's, Hobby Lobby's, Joann, I don't know what's going on with Michael. I think they're going out of business. I know the one that's here by my house, I went to it today, and there's a lot of empty shelves, a lot of clearance, a lot of 50% off. So I'm going to keep my eye on the store because I don't think they've gotten down to the nitty gritty as far as the prices being as cheap as probably what they'll go if they're going out of business. So I'm going to keep my eye on that. But I think Michael's is going out of business, y'all. Yep. But anyway, you can get vinyl at your Michael's, your Hobby Lobbies, your Joann's. your Walmarts, Targets, places like that. I've never checked Target for vinyl. Never ever have I went to Target when I was looking for vinyl. So I don't know how much product they have in the Cricut department. But anyway, if you are in the habit of getting your vinyl from places like that, guys, start Googling in your area local vinyl shops, vinyl craft shops, and see what you come up with. Because a lot of times you can get this vinyl much cheaper at your vinyl craft stores than you can at the craft stores. Okay. So I will put that out there. And trust me, if you've never been inside of a vinyl craft store, you're going to lose your mind because they're going to have colors that you never even thought of in there. So much to choose from. This one I went to is called Aviva, Aviva, and they are available online. So you can go online and order from Aviva. But I like shopping there because they have so much to choose from. But this time I didn't venture out into patterns because they do have patterned vinyl. I didn't venture out to get any pattern, and I was trying to not pick up vinyl that I may already have that color here at home because let me show you guys. I have so much vinyl, like it's ridiculous. So I can just go on and on and on and on and on for days. And these all came from vinyl shops. That's why they're large in size. But these all came from vinyl shops. So I can like go in a vinyl shop and pretty much lose my mind. So I tried to be a little cautious today because I'm working on purchasing a heat press. So I don't want to spend a lot of unnecessary money on vinyl when I have more than enough vinyl here. But stay tuned because today I'm going to do I think I'm going to do a fabric transfer using a Valentine's scheme. So I can show you guys some ideas when it comes to Valentine's and designing out a shirt for Valentine's, something a little bit different than what we've been doing in the group. I did post some puzzles. So if you're looking for ideas about Valentine's Day, I did post some puzzles that you can do on my channel. If you'll go to my playlist and look up under the crafting tutorials, you'll find them. But today I'm going to do a fabric transfer. Also in the vinyl shops, guys, they also sell other items that you can use to craft, like koozies, and fabric transfer for dark or light. They sell them in individual sheets, so you don't have to buy a package of them. And that way you can get exactly what you want. You know, like when you go to Walmart, you end up having to purchase like a package that has like 5 dark and 10 light, and you may not want that. At least in the vinyl shops, if you do have some in your area, you can go and get 10 of the dark or 10 of the light instead of being forced to just take the package and accept what's in that package, knowing that you may never use light. I use light very often, so I really don't like to have a whole lot of light because I don't really use it. But in order to get the dark, I purchased the package with the dark and the light. That's one thing. And then they sell, of course, t-shirts, all types of t-shirts, polyester, cotton, poly cotton blend, at least where the shops I have here. So if you're in Dallas, Texas, you go to Harry Hines or Google Harry Hines vinyl craft stores, and there's so many on Harry Hines to choose from that it's ridiculous. I know they have Join Us, and then there's one in Mesquite, Texas, and all of them are online. So you could also go to Join Us online and find them. And then there's one in Mesquite, and I think it's called like H&R Vinyl Shop or something like that. I've never been to that one. And if you're in the market for a heat press, Aviva and H&R, I think it's called H&R. I'm going to Google it right quick so I can make sure I'm giving you the right information. But they both sell heat press. If you don't want to have to pay for shipping, you can, if you're in Dallas, Texas, you can go there and pick up a heat press without worrying about shipping. You just pay for the heat press and the tax. So I'm going to Google vinyl craft stores near me so I can make sure I give you the right name of it. So it is called oh, I was wondering why I wasn't picking up. I spelled vinyl wrong. Gotta learn how to spell, Doris. Clue number 1. Okay. So it is called, and I may have to actually put in, it's called H&S. Yep, H&S, not H&R. It's called H&S Vinyl, and it's on 3220 Gus Thomason Road in Mesquite, Texas. But that one I haven't been to, but they do sell the heat press. They have the 15 by 15. That's the only one I've seen online for them. They have the 15 by 15 heat press for $300, which is not a bad deal. And then Aviva has the heat press 15 by 15 is 300. If you want the 16 by 20, the automatic where it closes on its own, then that one is 625 for the 16 by 24, and then they have a 16 by 20, and then they have a 16 by 20 that's manual where you have to physically close it. That one is 425, and they do have them in the store, so you could actually, if you're in Dallas, Texas, go in and pick up a heat press. And yeah, don't have to worry about shipping. I will tell you, hopefully you got a man in your life because those things are heavy. So, getting it in your house would be a big deal. So I'm going to give you the name of the one that I went to. I'm going to give you their website. Or you know what? I'll just put it in the description. I'll put in the description of this this video, not tutorial, but in this video, I'll put the name of the vinyl shops here in Dallas, Texas. And just to let you know, you don't have to be in Dallas, Texas, because these vinyl shops are online. So you can order online and have it shipped to wherever you are. So I'll put them in the description. Aviva, Join Us, and H&S. Those are three that I know of that you can go online and order from. So yeah, so stay tuned today, guys. I'm going to be doing a Valentine craft tutorial on a t-shirt. And I'm going to walk through the entire process for the fabric transfer. So if you're interested in putting together some t-shirts for Valentine's Day for the lovers, then stay tuned. I'll be posting that on my channel shortly. All right, so I just want to talk a little bit about the different colors that I got today because I'm excited about them. Can't wait to use them. And hopefully they don't sit up like some of my other vinyl has, but that's neither here nor there. Anyway, all right, guys, that's it. I just wanted to talk about that. And I will, again, post in the description about the places that you can buy vinyl online, or if you're in Dallas, Texas, where you can go locally and get your vinyl. All right. Have any questions, let me know. As always, my motto is each one reach one so that each one can teach one. And you guys have a great day. Bye.